Ah, shit, I look stupid. Hi, and welcome to my playhouse. Today, well, winter is coming, so I need to chop up some firewood. Even though I only come here in the weekends, it's bloody cold when I come here in the weekend. So when I arrive here Friday and have to heat up this rather big house, it takes a while. And the stove, I have a wood stove in the basement. It takes quite a bit of wood. I have bought some this year for the first time ever. I have bought some wood that is here in the driveway, and I have already started using that. Over here we can kind of see inside the living room that the fireplace is burning really well in the living room. Zoom in there. Oh, that's far. Oh, there's a reflection. It looks like the garden hose is on fire, but it's the wood stove in the living room that's burning really well. So over here I have my Ryobi chainsaw heating up. So we're gonna go and chop up some of this wood that I have laying over here. Okay, I made well, I tanked the chainsaw one time, and I made this pile of crap. I have this thing over here that I built years ago for piling up firewood, but it's totally rotten down here, so I need to take this down and replace it. The bottom is rotten, so I need to replace it with another pallet, and there's a good one over there as well. Probably that one is better. So I did a lot of firewood. I think this is probably 3 weekends of heating the house right there in one tank full of gasoline for the chainsaw. And I removed this tree because I don't want it there anymore. So I have expanded the garden a little bit. So the robot lawnmower has made this part available. It has cut down a lot of stuff, and I have used the rake to remove the leftovers from it. Right now it's charging. It has been charging for a while. It didn't run very long on that charge. It was at 93% when I started it, and I only ran a couple of hours, and I think I helped it 3 times before it finally ran for the charger again. So yeah, now somehow this firewood has to get into these boxes so that I can carry it down into the basement. But I think I want to do something with this thing over here and see if I can replace that. this has just rotted away. So I'm gonna remove that and we're gonna put the other pallet on there. Don't know if I should redo that. It doesn't fit the pallet. So behind here there are some of these trees that has become too big. Especially this one, way too big. Goes all the way up there, and it's, if I don't remove this, it's gonna be a problem with there's a concrete wall here, and it's gonna ruin that at some point. So I'm gonna remove that tree before it becomes any bigger. Got you. So hitting the ground like that, it becomes really dull really fast. So I'm not any expert at this. I'm really bad at it, but even though I'm bad, I do feel that it gets sharper when I do it. So okay, I've kind of come to the conclusion that I don't want to redo this. I'm just gonna fix it up a little bit here and there, make sure that it will last another couple of years, and then maybe I'll do something. It's the bottom is too big for the pallet I have, but well, I'll just put the pallet in the middle of it, and I guess it will be okay. I've mounted this piece of wood on the back just to make it blend in with the bushes. So try and lift it up. Oh, crying out loud! Okay, I have to straighten this a little bit. It's gonna be okay. It's just for firewood. We will use this pallet as a floor in here. It will fit. Yeah, it will fit. It has to fit. Damn. That's as good as it gets for this for today. I am so done, and I have a lot of cleaning up to do here. All the stuff that I pull out of here, all the firewood is not gonna go into boxes by itself. So yeah, totally wasted here and dirty. So well, that's what I do when I don't mess with servers. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me get dirty again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.